I was in it to see what I could do, what my personal strengths I could do. And I remember one day at rally, Dana Williams came up to me, and she allows me to tell the story, so I'm gonna tell you the story. And she came up to me and she was crying, and I'm like, whoa, Dana doesn't cry, she's not emotional, so what's going on here? And she goes, and she grabs my arms and she goes, I just wanted to say thank you. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? She goes, my husband left me this weekend. I have 2 small children. But I know because you offered me the opportunity that I'm gonna be okay with Tupperware. I get goosebumps telling that story every time, and from that moment on, everything changed for me. How I look at my team, who I do what for, it all for me revolves around the team. I don't care anymore if I'm number 1 or whatever. Now I focus on what does my team need for help? You know, what do they need? What kind of guidance trainings? It's just been, it's so much more fulfilling. So, who'd have thought?